Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back. Your own class organized by School of Scholar Malkapur. Students, standard 7th maths. We are starting new topic. The name of the topic is percentage. I hope you are all are familiar with this word percentage because whenever you do the you everyone doing the study very well, and after doing study there is one exam which keeps, and in the exam how you scored well or not, your parents are comparing with the percentage only, and your teachers also tells you your 100%, your 20%, your attendance is there, 30%. Okay, like that some percentage in different situation you listen this word. In the brokerage also, in movies, in tvs also, I want that much commission, that much 50% commission I want, है ना. So percentage, this is the word which is used in generally in very daily life. But now today we are going to see about this amazing and interesting word and knowledge about these things. How to calculate the percentage and what exactly the percentage. What is the story of the percentage? Let's see. First of all, open your textbook page number 140 and let's we start with the percentage. Okay. The very first sentence is given you in the real life how the percentages came to know. Ranjit has secured 85% marks in English. This is the sentence. See, in that also the Ranjit percentage marks get calculated. The shopkeeper has made 10% profit. Anna, Anita donated 10% of her salary to the poor people or orphanage, like that. So in the daily life the percentage, this concept comes. What exactly the percentage? See my dear students, percentage, this word is made by the percentage. Okay, per means what? Percentage. Okay, per it means upon, and cent it means what? In the 100. Okay, millicentitesi, in that cent it is the 100, and age is what? That process, or we can say that process. Okay, so upon 100 means what? Per 100, how many? That is called as percentage. Okay, per 100, what exactly the comparison of that things is per 100, how much? For example, if there is a sign, okay, percentage means what? Per 100, to calculate the things amount per 100 has to be calculated, that is called as percentage. For example, 20 per cent. Okay, cent it means what? 100 means what? 20%. 20%. Second is what? Second statement will see that what exactly, uh 10 percent. Okay, 10%, 20% gain and 10% loss. So what exactly it is happening, you tell me. Just see, 20% gain. Gain means what? Profit. And how much it is? 20%. Cent means what? Cent. Cent means 100. Okay, per 100. And per means what? Upon. Means okay, 20 multiply 1 upon 100. Okay, 20%. Per means upon, this is per cent. Okay, and how much it is? 20. 20 ones are 20, like it is 20. 20% means what? 20 upon 100. Okay, 20 upon 100, so it become again fraction. See the how it's maths is interlinked to the concepts. Okay, I will tell you in the very, but I am telling some concepts to you in the different way, just to try to understand and listen. Okay, 20%, so if we calculate it, 2 on the 2, 2 5s are, so it becomes 1 upon 5. Okay, so this is fraction is, I will tell you the fraction also afterwards. Okay, so 20% gain means what? Out of 100 how much? 20. Okay, so therefore 20 it is the gain, means extra on 100, so it's become 120. Okay, so let's we see again. Next is, this is the symbol of the percentage. ठीक है, percentage sign, or we can say that sign of the percentage. Next, 25% we can write in this format. 25, this is the sign of percent. Okay, the meaning of this is what? Percent. And percent is exactly is what? Upon, nothing is there means 1 upon 100, means percent sign, percent, and 1 upon 100, they all are equals to each other. Okay, percentage, percent, 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 cent means what? 100. Understand? So this is exactly same. So if we have to find out the how to write the things in the percentage, 8%, so means what? 8%. And this we can write in this format also, 25 upon 100, 8 upon 100. Percent means 25%. Per means what? Upon 100, 25 upon 100. Okay, 8 upon 100, and that's become what? 25. These both are the equal, both are equal, these are equal. Okay, now let me see some examples and their conversion, what we have studied yet now. What exactly percent means? What? Upon 100. Okay, so this is 9%, we can write this 9% in this form, 9 upon 100. Okay, 15% we can write in the format of 15 upon 100, means 9% means this, 15% means 15 upon 100. 67% means what? 67 out of 100. Okay, 5% means 5 out of 100. 34% means 34 upon 100. Okay, 29% means what? 29% means what? 29 upon 100. These are the two format. Okay, 30% means 30%, and it become it exactly what? 30 upon 100. 85%, and that's equals to 85 upon 100. Okay, 90%, that's a 90 upon 100. Okay, 85%, that's equals to 85%. Understood? These are the answers. Now let's see, students, the first question. First we are going to study that conversion of percent to the fraction. What is that? Conversion of percent to the fraction. To convert a percent, okay, convert to percent to a fraction, ignore the percentage sign. This symbol has to be ignored, and divide the number by 100. Bring it to lowest term. It is very simply said. What? If there is a 25%, this is the symbol, you have to ignore this symbol and divide the number by 100. Since 25 has to be divided by 100, and bring it to the lowest term. Whatever the fraction will come, bring it to the lowest term. So how will, first of all we'll do it. Okay, so first of all we know that 25% means what? 25 out of 100. Yes or no? 25 out of 100 means what? Or we can say that 2500. 100. Okay, means what? 25 upon 100. Is it nothing but, है ना? 25% is equals to what? This is in word form I written, and this is in fraction form as I said. Or divide by, see, ignore the symbol I ignore, and divide the number by 100. So divided means upon 100. Okay, and to make it to the lowest term, 25 on the 25, 25 4s are 100, so 1 upon 4. So now what is the our topic? Conversion of percent to the fraction. Now this fraction has come, so therefore 25% is equals to 1 upon 4. Okay, now second example, you see 15 integer 1/2%. So you have to make it this first word. 15 integer 1 upon half means what? Improper. 15 to the is equals to 15 to the 30 plus 1, 31 upon 2%. Okay, so what to do? This 31 upon 2% equals to, we have to ignore this and divide this number by 100. So divide these numbers by 100 means what? 31 upon 2. Divide is nothing but divided by 100. And you know that how to solve this example. 31 upon 2 division is given multiplied 1 upon 100. It's reciprocal. Yes or no, my dear students? So okay. So what will come? 31 on the 31 and 2 multiply 100, 200. Okay, so what has to be done? This is the standard form. It is no possible to cut, so therefore 15 integer 1 by 2% is equals to 31 upon 200. This is your fraction. Okay, and third example, you see this is in decimal. 14 integer 25%, that is equals to what? We will write them into the fraction first. What? 1425 upon 2 decimal 00%. Yes or no? 1425 upon 100%, and this has to be converted into the fraction. Understood? See, here is given decimal, this is given mixed fraction, and this is your number. So whenever here three different things were understood to how to convert that things is given in percentage to the fraction. If number is given percent, how to do it. In mixed fraction is given in percentage, how to do it. If decimal number is given in percentage, how to do it into the fraction, that we are going to see. So same thing, what? 1425 upon 100 divided by 100, divided by 100, and same thing, how to do it? 1425 upon 100 multiply 1 upon 100. It's reciprocal. So next is what? Simplified. How will simplify? The common thing is what? 25. 25, how many is that? 25 5 is 125, and 42 minus 25, it become that do it, it comes what? 7. Then 25 57 are 100, 1425, and 25 4s are 100. Okay, so 57 multiply this 1 upon 4 multiply 100, and it become 57 upon 400. This is your standard form. Okay, so understood how to convert the things into the fraction. Very simply I will tell you the conclusion of this all concepts. This what? If any number, if it is there 20, okay, 20% have to convert into the fraction, or 22 upon 5 has to convert into the fraction. So what I had to do, I have to multiply the each thing by the 1 upon 100. This is divided by 100, or you multiply 1 upon 100, both are same na. See, dividing 100 is equals to multiply 1 upon 100. Are you getting what I have written? As you are the 7th standard students, are they both calculations are same? See, dividing 100 means what? 1 upon 100. Okay, understood? So look at here, don't get confused, I will directly tell you. 20%, so percent means what? 1 upon 100. Percent means 1 upon 100 na? As we seen first, percent means what? 1 upon 100. Yes or no? Percent means what? 1 upon 100. Percent 1 upon 100. So instead of percent, this percent sign is multiplied through that na. Okay, 20 multiply percent, so 20 multiply percent, so that's why 20 0 0 cut, 2 on the 2, 2 5s are 10, and that's what? 1 upon 5. This is the fraction by multiplying this, or we can do it 20 divided by 100. That's what? 20 multiply 1 upon 100. Same step is coming. Yes or no? 0 0 cut, 2 on the 2, 2 5s are, that's 1 upon 5. So I hope you understand the things. Student, based on this concept, you have your exercise 8.3 question number 1 is given. We will solve this example, and this is your today's work. Okay, and then exercise question number 2 and that things remaining concept will continue. Means once we understand the one concept, based on that exercise which questions are given, that we will simultaneously we will do it. Okay, so let's see. Express each of the percent as fraction. 14%. So how we are doing that? This is example of first example of number. what to do? Directly upon 100 and do it. So what answer is how? 14% is equals to 14 upon 100, and you have to convert this fraction into the standard form now. 2 7s are 14, 2 50s are. So that's why 7 upon 50 is your fraction form. Therefore 14% is equals to 7 upon 50. Easy. Whenever the decimal is there, so what to do? The decimal, convert that decimal into the fraction first, and that fraction has to be divided by 100. It means multiply its reciprocal and get the standard form. Okay, so let's see this. 0.02% is equals to 2 upon 100. Okay, 0.02 means 2 upon 100 and percent sign as it is. Now 2 upon 100 percent is equals to 2 upon 100. As I said here, percentage means what? 1 upon 100. So you can multiply also. 20 and percentage, their relation is what? 20 multiply percent. And they are togetherly written, so they have relation multiplication. So you can multiply here by 1 upon 100 also, because simultaneously what is doing, we are dividing by 100 means what? We are multiplying 1 upon 100. The both logics are same. Okay, to the fraction dividing 100, now we have to divide it by 100 na. But now after dividing, next step is what? Multiplying 1 upon 100. So we are directly doing 1 upon 100. Okay, so next is what? 2 ones are 2, 2 50s are. Now 1 multiply 1 is 1, and 50 multiply 100, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 3 0, 1 2 3, and 1 multiply 5 is 5. So this is your fraction. So therefore 2 upon, or you can write 0.02% is equals to, this is your fraction. Next, this decimal, what to do? 14.8% is equals to 148 upon 10%. 148 upon 10% is equals to 148 upon 10 multiply 1 upon 100. Okay, so what to do? It has to be cut. How will cut? 2 5s are 2 74s are. Again there is a possibility to cut. How? 2 3s are 7 6, 1 get cut, 2 37s are, and 2 50s are. So what is that? 37 multiply 1, that is 37, and here is pi multiply 50, that's become what? 37 upon 0 is at it is 5 5 is 25, 250. Okay, this is your standard form. Next, 3 integer 1 upon 4% is equals to 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13 upon 4%, and 13 upon 4% is equals to 13 upon 4 multiply 1 upon 100. Okay, so convert this now. See, fraction, whenever the fraction is there, fraction divided by 100. So whenever we divide the 100, it nothing but it is 1 upon 100 is multiplying, so fraction multiplied 1 upon 100. So directly the second step we are done here. So multiply 1 upon 100 is done. Okay, so here is what to do. 13 ones are 13, there is no possibility to cut. 4 100s are 400. This is your fraction. So it is nothing but it is 1 integer 4 upon 4, 1 integer 3 integer 1 upon 4%. Okay, now these two examples, will you do it? I will tell you the half of the work for you. Okay, 20.5% is nothing but 125 upon 10%. Okay, 0.25% is nothing but 25 upon 100%. Okay, and this 125 upon 10% is nothing but 125 upon 100 multiply 1 upon 100. Okay, 25 upon 100% has to solve how? 25 upon 100 multiply 1 upon 100. Instead of percent sign, see what I am writing here, percent sign is equals to 1 upon 100. Okay, and as the relation is multiply, so multiplying I'm directly, or you can use by logic also. Okay, so simplest, 25 5s are 25 4s are 5 1s are 5, 10 4s are 40, 1 5 1s are 5, 5 8s are 40. Its answer is, standard form is 1 upon 8. And here is 25 1s are 25, 25 4s are 1 multiply 1 is 1, and 4 multiply 100 is 400. Understand? So 0.25% is equals to this. and 12.5% is equals to this. So I hope you understand the question number 1. So try to solve in all the questions in your notebook. Be attentive. Okay, take care, stay home, bye.